This video will briefly introduce some of the browser-based CAD applications powered by the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. Each app is suited to a different function, whether that is organic sculpting, parametric modelling, sheet metal design, or structure design, to name a few. They run completely in a browser with no need to install, and they update automatically. The other benefit is that they offer us SolidWorks users some additional functionality to supplement the great tools that we already have. As mentioned, xShape is a completely browser-based app that we can use to enhance our existing modelling capabilities. We can use it to create organic parts that would be difficult to model using SolidWorks and parametric modelling tools alone. It uses subdivisional surface modelling, where surfaces are covered with a polygon mesh. Instead of starting with a sketch and applying features, we start with a primitive surface shape. The sub-D shapes are then refined by pushing, pulling, dragging, or applying shaping tools to manipulate the geometry. After editing, the complex surfaces are smoothed and converted to NURB splines to make them compatible for use back in parametric modelers like SolidWorks. Here, we can utilise any traditional techniques. So let's take a look. Products today have more style and complexity than ever, but turning these exciting design ideas into functional CAD models can be difficult using our traditional modelling tools. In our example, we'll see how our designer can use xShape to sculpt a sleek and stylish exterior for the latest C-scooter design. Our new component starts with a few reference images. Then we can add our starting primitive shape. It looks a far way off from what we want it to at this point. This can be scaled uniformly or with a bounding box. At this point, we don't have to worry about sketches or dimensions. We can start to push, pull, scale, and rotate the shape with the on-screen manipulator. Then add or remove edges or split faces for a more localized control. If sharp edges are needed, add a crease and adjust it by dragging the slider. Pop-up notifications and built-in task management make it easy to collaborate on design projects. Teammates can add comments, share models, and track each other's progress, all from within the design workspace. We drag the task in work to show others a sign that we are working on it. Edges can either be aligned to sketches or model geometry from other components. And a high level of precision can still be achieved with numeric inputs. Typing in the value or using the numeric slider depending on the device. Applying symmetry will automatically mirror our push-pull changes across a line of symmetry. Material can be added with the extrude command, or as a newly inserted body. Irregular selections can be made with the lasso tool to select items you want to align to a curve that can be drawn right on screen, which is perfect for use with those touchscreen devices. Sometimes manipulating a body in this organic way causes surfaces to intersect. The mesh inspection tool isolates the issues, and the cage view makes it easy to refine the problematic areas. This will help to prevent problems in manufacture. The net surface command is perfect for creating new surfaces based on sketches and curves. Think like a swept surface. Parameters of the new surface can be adjusted before sculpting it into shape. Turning on the working zone helps isolate specific areas of the new body or surface, so this can be refined without affecting other elements. We are able to create this complex geometry easily using the tools from xShape. But what's next for this design? Any manufacturing details and features can still be applied in SolidWorks after the body part has been created. We still always want to combine the best tools for the job. The body shape can be opened back in xShape to make edits to the design as it continues to evolve. 3DSculptor's free-form environment allows us to create complex shapes and surfaces more easily than ever. It's just one of the additional modelling tools we can use, made possible for us by the 3DEXPERIENCE platform.